What's up, YouTube? Wanted to show you all my chicken coop. Just finished it not too long ago. It's got a few chickens in there. Built it big enough for 4 chickens, but I think we're gonna keep 3. It's used 2x4s, pressure treated for the outside stuff. It's about 8 feet long and about 4 feet-ish tall. Used Simpson strong tie corners for the corners. Built it all as basically one piece, so this top 2x4 and bottom 2x4 run the whole length of the thing. The front here, I've got a door to get into the run that opens. I'm not sure if you can see the chickens in the light the way it is, but they're chilling in there. And for security, I got the 1/4-inch hardware cloth. I used 1 1/4 staples to put it in, and then I used fender washers with screws to really hold it down, as well as a staked in apron around the bottom. Hopefully that translates to video. On the roof, between the rafters of the roof, I've got hardware cloth as well for ventilation, keeping everybody cool in there. Got the shingles from the restore, as well as the vent here, you know, opens and closes, again keeping them cool. Doors are built out of 2x4s. Here inside, we got the 3 nesting boxes, 1, 2, 3, with a couple of fake eggs in there. They still haven't laid eggs, so that's supposed to show them where. The roof, I used OSB with that aluminum radiant barrier already stuck onto it, so that should deflect some of the heat. The roosting bars are movable or removable. This tray I built, so it's slidable, or you can take the whole thing out. That way when it gets really gross, you can hose it down. The black paint there is like Flex Seal or pruning sealer. Underneath here, this door is for getting their food, or taking their food and water in and out, easy access, and it's under the roof so their food doesn't get rained on. Closing it up here, using carabiners with a spring and a spin on them so they close up. And then here is the outside, that nesting box. This is a door which opens up towards us. We can reach in easy and get the eggs out once we get some eggs. Another shot of the rafters and the ventilation. Got a nice breeze right now. Hopefully they're liking it. And that's pretty much it. I know I was really digging chicken coop videos when I was researching building this thing, so hopefully you dig this one and it helps you in some way. I'll put another video up of the chickens themselves feeding, but anyway, peace.